Hello everyone, how are you? I'm fine and you? Today's in this app and very interesting to your online earnings from mobile. Okay, so let's start this video and get now play int. Okay, so friends, dear friends, so let's start this video. How to make money? How to make money? How to make money? Today, $2, $5. Okay, so friends, anyone please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so friends, let's start this video and get your browser to search Mukesh. Okay, so this is demo Mukesh, demo tra- transship and trips into cash and $5 per day. Okay, Play Store and Apple Store to search Mukesh. Search Mukesh MWCASH and get the link and Play Store on the Google App Store. Transfer and trips into cash and $5 per day. Okay, so support many rewards, redeem your coin for cash, free mobile recharge and talk time and gift cards. Okay, get these offers on your screen lock and sweep the tracks offer. Simple, that's okay. Menu is to earn. Try apps, visit page or complete tracks and survey which you prefer. Okay, so now download Play Store, your Apple Store to click Apple Store. Now play to Play Store. Please follow me. Please follow me. Why should you upgrade to Mukesh Plus? Get 150 coins instantly. Access slip offer to earn money. Get offer from Logiskin. Invite friend and refer bonus. View earning history. Okay. So click the download. Click the download. Okay. And download. Please wait few seconds and download in this app size 3 MB. Okay, trusted, very trusted. This is site link, please check the description box or search to Google Play Store Mukesh. Okay, so invite your friends and get refer bonus and to install from app source others, and then Google, go the settings, security, enable unknown source. Okay, so download, waiting for download. App size 3 MB, already 24 MB download. Total size 30.56 megabyte. Okay, now waiting now few seconds. Download this app and then download this app and get install. Okay, download this app and install anyway. So please waiting for installing. Done, this is app, this open now. Okay, okay, allow. Sign up to your move phone number and Facebook. Okay, you have sign up anyway. Okay, rewards with just a sweep your unlock skin. Okay, your phone unlock and get rewards. Okay, sweep your phone. Okay, Facebook or mobile number account, you choose anyone. Okay, now continue to my account. Now continue your no bill verification. Okay, please enter your again. Okay, your friends sweep up to skin lock and your account register and sweep onto skin lock and get money. Okay, so now started new back now, and again and again and again back to web browser. Okay, and search USA daily daily mobile phone unlock 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 daily unlock. Okay, USA daily mobile phone unlock. Search recharge state creator unlock your phone to try to free now. Okay, awareness unlock and started sign up and password and daily unlock your phone and get rewards. Okay, and then Apple Store. Okay, Play Store complete, and then Apple Store. Click now to Apple Store and download this app method and any result. Okay, recent post download Mukesh IPF file to iOS device. Okay, download IPF file iOS app, download Mojai IPF file to iOS device. Apple for excited lucky dress price. Google Home, Apple iPad based studio Studio 3 wireless over ear headphones and more. New lucky draw item: Apple Watch, Xbox One X, Visa gift card and more. Okay, top four top four tip and make more money and Mukesh. Okay, November, December, November, June, May, February, January. Any download this iOS file to iOS, and then hi more tennis. Sorry to keep up waiting for you, Mukesh. iOS app, it is coming to back you now. Follow the step below and download this app into your iOS device and cash and make money. Log in your Apple ID and developer help to set up free developer account. Download Gaia Importer, excited and install exe file on Windows or DMG file on Mac OS and launch it. Download Mukesh iOS and drop your downloaded file into the inspector window that you have opened it. Okay. Step 4: connect your iOS device to PC. Use the USB and cable. Step 5: enter your Apple ID. Step 6: okay, now redeeming your Mukesh, and then account login to login. Click hard to account login. Okay, login anyway. Number or email, phone number or Facebook ID, phone number or Facebook ID, website and apps. Anyway, installing. Okay, anyway, installing phone number and website. Blog gigs feedback blog. You try now blog now. Mukesh blog, make money online. Okay, okay, okay. Now this video has been ended. Please take care and better life. Grow your life. Thank you for watching. Take love.